Greetings dear viewers, we have the AXL for you today in this video. So let's see about the details of the AXL. First of all, about the introduction to the AXL project. The AXL project was born out of need to provide decentralized solutions for individuals and entities. By utilizing the polynetwork bridge, the AXL platform can tackle a big problem that exchanges face. Polynetwork is an interoperability protocol for heterogeneous blockchains with a wide range of support across different blockchains due to the ease of membership. Polynetwork can work with 9 heterogeneous chains such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Neo, Ontology, BSC, Heco, Elrond, Zilliqa, and Cosmos SDK. The Polynetwork protocol enables cross-chain asset transfer between these blockchains, and more than $4.1 billion across over 50,000 addresses have been conducted on different blockchains. The AXL project begins with their own NFT, a form of digital art especially created by us and will be listed for sale on NFT platforms. An NFT is known as a non-fungible token, and it is a unique unit of data stored on a blockchain. They can be associated with items that can be produced digitally, such as photos, audio, videos, or other digital files with a unique identification through blockchain to provide public proof of ownership. AXL will be producing 10,000 unique collectible characters inspired by AXL INU. Each art piece will be unique to the other and can be collected on whichever NFT platform they are listed on. Interested personnel can collect as many of our NFT art as they wish. Each piece can also be held and sold later for even more value. The second phase of the AXL project is to launch our own decentralized exchange where trades can be carried out directly, thus excluding the need of a central authority or a third party holding crypto assets. The AXL DEX will be built with smart chain routing supporting the Ethereum chain and the Binance Smart Chain. An advantage of this is that users can easily swap their cryptocurrency across these chains speedily and with even lower fees involved. Lastly, AXL will have a decentralized borrow and lend program, and users can borrow tokens from their platform, and an individual can decide to lend out his tokens to another user. AXL token will be the native means of conducting transactions on the AXL platform for users. A particular use case would be for the AXL Launchpad program, for users to participate in an upcoming project. They will have to stake AXLs to be eligible for participation. Projects hoping to be listed on AXL Launchpad page will also be required to pay fees in AXLs. For the AXL Launchpad program, those who hold AXL tokens will have access to various projects launching on their platform. All users will be required to hold AXL tokens before a product launch and at its conclusion to participate in the pre-sale of the IDO. If you are a project owner and you wish to list your tokens as an IDO, you will be required to have AXLs to required fees. All users interested in participating in the initial DX offering will also be required to stake AXLS for a period of time. So thanks for watching.